Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Selenium WebDriver, scroll to element, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. The ability to scroll to a specific element is crucial when working with web automation using Python Selenium WebDriver. This tutorial will guide you through the process of scrolling to an element on a web page using Python and Selenium WebDriver, providing you with a detailed step-by-step explanation along with a code example. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Selenium WebDriver. Ensure that you have Selenium WebDriver installed on your machine. You can install it using the following command. Step 2. Import necessary libraries. In your Python script, import the required libraries, WebDriver from Selenium and by from selenium.webdriver.common.by. Step 3. Create WebDriver instance. Initialize a WebDriver instance, such as chromedriver. Replace Chrome with your preferred browser, example Firefox, Edge, etc. Step 4. Navigate to the web page. Navigate to the web page containing the element you want to scroll to. Replace the URL with the actual URL of the web page. Step 5. Locate the element. Identify the element you want to scroll to using appropriate locators such as by.id, by.class_name, by.spath, etc. For example, replace the XPath with the locator for your specific element. Step 6. Scroll to the element. Now, use the execute_script method to scroll to the identified element. This JavaScript command scrolls the page to bring the specified element into view. Step 7. Complete example. Here's the complete example. Adjust the code according to your specific requirements and web page structure. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to scroll to a specific element on a web page using Python Selenium WebDriver. This technique is useful for automating tasks that involve interacting with elements not initially visible on the screen. ChatGPT.